We'll talk about your performances right now, but what are things that you have to face, or you can also say that what are things you need to work on.
When I came here, I didn't speak anything, but this time I speak more and more, and my grammar also not good. You said to me always, and but I have to focus on my grammar. You always said to me you can focus on your speaking English, and you speak more and more at your home. You should practice at your home. Definitely I will do many things for English, and I should practice at my home.
So I have to focus on my pronunciation because sometimes I speak very wrong, and also grammatically very sometimes I used to do a lot of mistakes. Now I do, but not that much. So I don't want that do again. So grammatically little bit I have to focus, and sometimes I forgot words what I want to say. So that is a very bad thing about me, and so vocabulary very important, and for speaking, and these are three things which I need to focus on that.
So, as they shared about things they need to work on because they know where they go wrong, and they talked about their flaws, their weak links. So, she spoke about vocabulary, like she runs out of words. So, uh, guys, you can go to the playlist, and if you also have a problem like her, if you run out of words, if you do not have a good vocabulary, so you can go to the playlist and you can see a lot of things there. So, you can just pick that vocabulary playlist and start watching all the shorts. You'll get a lot of words there, and this way you can enhance your vocabulary as well. So as we were talking about your performances, so which session is your favorite and which session you get scared of more? I'll hold it.
I like all these sessions. It's my favorite story session, one on one, because story session you can manage everything. Stories like you can handle everything, and one on one I speak more and more. It is very important for me. You always said you speak more and more, and I like all these sessions. But sometimes I scared in repeat sentences because my listening powers may be not good. I have to focus on listening power. That's it.
Well, she said that she gets scared in repeat sentences. So if you guys have the same problem, you can go to the playlist and you can again pick that repeat sentences playlist, and you can watch a lot of shorts wherein you'll get to know about what repeat sentences are, because they're very important for interviews. When you're facing version tests in interviews for MNCs, BPOs and ITs, you'll get these repeat sentences there. So you can practice this way. Now let's see what she has to say. Yeah, I'll hold it.
So I like all the sessions, but I really like one-on-one session because in that session I can express myself very comfortably, and taking my time so much on that session. And yeah, sometimes I like story session because I do better, but sometimes I don't like story session because that time I using very wrong in story session grammatically.
So if you have to write a book, what would you like to write about?
Definitely get a chance. I would write my story, because I know that my story is very complicated, and my family, of course, I would like with this institute, because I know that it is very unique institute according to me. Definitely in future I would get chance. Definitely I would write my story.
What would you like to write about?
If I have to write something, so I would like to choose failure, because sometimes people are fail in their life, but they thought that it is their mistakes, and they are less than anyone. So I want to normalize this thing that if you are fail in somewhere and you are feeling like that you are losing your confidence or and hope, so I want to feel them better because of my book. So they get confidence in their life, and they start feeling again that they can do anything and they can achieve anything.
Okay, do you consider yourself successful?
Yeah, I can say that because I never give up in any situation. I try my best, and every time I do mistakes, and I learn from that mistakes, and I try to do better, because I know that getting your success is not your success if you are fail and you are doing better and better, and try to focus on other things as well, and you are successful.
Are you successful?
No, according to me, successful, you have money. I don't know, you have successful because you can't support any problem. You can't handle any problem. You can't support your family and needy people. That time you will successful, and it is the reason I'm not successful because I can't support my families and needy people. I can't help them, and I know that time I'm not successful because I have no work, I have no job, and I'm not successful, but I will try my best in my life.
Where do you see yourself after 5 years from now?
Very independent and confident lady.
Right. What do you see?
I want to become an independent, and I want to support my families, and definitely it's very important for me because I know that my parents always said to me, you can handle everything, you should handle everything because it's very important for you, and maybe I want to support needy people because it's very important, because needy people many people can't afford you can help needy people. That's it.
Right. So, what was something you wanted to do in life but you couldn't do it?
I have no answer.
Okay. What was something you wanted to do but you didn't?
Yeah, I really like arts, like dancing and drawing. So because of some reasons I left, and sometimes it feels that I want to join, and I do that thing because that thing makes me happy, and but in school time it was necessary to focus on my study, and don't do so many things that at that same time. So I will say that drawing and dancing.
Okay. Are you a multitasker?
Yeah, I can say that sometimes I'm multitasker because I'm managing my family works and my classes. So yeah, I can say that I'm multitasker.
Are you?
I'm not, because I can't handle everything, but in future I want to become multitasking. It is very important for me. I know that you also multitasking and you can manage everything. That's it.
So that was nice one-on-one session, guys. And do not be over judgmental, please. Why? Because I know they were making mistakes because they're learners and they're in the learning phase. So it's quite obvious to make mistakes, and mistakes are actually the proof that they're improving. So keep sharing your love so that they can do better in the next videos, and I hope they'll do better in the next videos. They'll learn better. So don't be over judgmental, and share your love, support us so that they can do better in life. Thanks for watching.